My name is Ruth, and I have to say that an important part of my life has been reading books. It's shaped who I am as a person, and because I believe that reading is very important in our culture and in our society, I am very much adamant about the freedom of speech, specifically the freedom to read, and the political socialization factors that I believe really made this a priority and an emphasis in my life was school, which is represented by the bookworm reading a book by the apple. The apple is a traditional symbolism of school. Teachers and education, like the regulations of the school district I went to, which was NEISD, and then before that actually was my family, because they read to me at home and they chose which books I had access to, but also gave me the freedom when they gave me a library card. And that kind of ties back into school, being able to check out books at the library, so that kind of intertwines with each other. The availability of books, the schools select what books are appropriate for children to read, and then the students after a time are given the choice of what books they may check out. Now they still have some required readings, which are part of assignments, which usually those books that are chosen by teachers do influence children at some point in their life, especially when teachers encourage students to read banned books, whether or not they're banned in their own school district or in their city, basically whatever part of government that's part of. And so that has to tie into the both the family and school factor. And then because I spend a lot of time in libraries and school, I interacted with peers at the school library and in my classrooms, and we talked about books. And those discussions have influenced the connections I've made with people and the general importance of reading in my life. And as young adults, we tend to want to express our freedoms. And so that's why freedom of speech, freedom of reading is important to me. And that's how I was influenced by these factors.